Okay, the bucket setup has the wash down area there, and then the hose goes through that underneath of it, so the water, dirty water, is underneath the pump. And then we got the pump facing up, and it's a CFO 1100, and this is just a regular 5-gallon bucket. Okay, we're here with John getting ready to rinse this system out. We've already done one side and got all the fittings the way we want them now. John, first thing he did was shut off the valve down there, and his next thing he'll be doing is reaching down in there, pulling the cap off of the one he wants to thing, and then put this new fitting on. And it's got a cam lock fitting on it, so it's real easy to put together. And there we go. Those cam locks lock up tight there, and then you got a good fitting on that end. Okay, he's put the quick connect fitting on this end. Now he's gonna push it in there, lock it in, turn that valve, and he's ready to start the process now. He just plugs the battery into it, which is a 6 amp hour lithium battery. And you can see it's bubbling. Get the air out first, and then it'll start pumping through here soon. There we go. We got water coming back in. Now we let that circulate. We've already done the one side, so the water is kind of dirty. It'll get considerably worse as we go. But John had already installed these 3-way T's in here on each system, and then you just disconnect it at the quick connect and then unscrew that and screw it onto the other one in order to change it.
I wanted this done for my boat and had talked to John about getting it done, and then a client of his wanted it done also, so me and him set it up for them, and this is the setup we came up with. List of parts. John at Rigged Right's contact info and links to some of the products are in the description. Please like and subscribe to our channel.